as a kaiako, when I'm at the forefront with my students, it's about accountability and what I'm teaching. It's about my practice and what I'm delivering so that they can see the essence, the hōhonutanga of the mahi that we do within the House of Weaving. For me, the significance within my practice of Te Wharepura, the House of Weaving, is crucial. It's at the forefront of my work. Why? It's because it's about finding out about those designs. It's about the origins of our tupuna and the things that they pass down to us. For us, in Te Wharepura, for myself, this is one of the main things that I'd like to pass on to my students, being able to find out about themselves and their whānau. Part of my aspirations with Rangahau is to return to my iwi and my hapu, to be able to give back to my whānau, to be able to give my hands, give my taonga that I have, so that I can share that taonga with everybody. For our upcoming generations, for my daughter, for my mokopuna, mo te whānau katoa.